Brazil in this case. In this case, we will use the Portuguese page, and in our case, the Spanish, or maybe both at the same time. Don't know, but certainly we need to test in one of them.
Are we able to do both at the same time?
Mm, that question is for Kenny, I guess.
Yeah, we should be able to get them all done at the same time. It's just a matter of whatever we need to have added. We need to have that up front so I can get Kevin to add those credentials
That's
to
right.
the stream server.
Okay, so at this time, let's just try the HQ one. Before we leave, we'll make sure that Kenny has the details that he needs to ask Kevin to add.
Yeah.
And then we can jump back and see how many we can actually stream to.
Okay. So how do we want to start?
Give me just a second. I'm getting the YouTube leg of it set up here, and then we should be able to get the Facebook one after that. All right, so YouTube is working, and let's try Facebook. Actually, Bjorn, do you remember how you started the stream last time for Facebook?
Oh, yeah. There's that. Oh, yeah.
I think it was with the... yeah. It was with the Creator Studio. And I think Go Live.
All right.
So
Yeah,
if you're on the main page, you can see Creator Studio, and if you click on that.
Yeah, and I found there's the Go Live button over to the right. I clicked on that, and I remember there was some. This is the part where something was a little bit funky. We had to change
bottom left, something at the bottom left or something. That's all
Right.
I remember.
Because we can't do the Go Live button until there was something else. Well, now they got this. Okay, just say test.
Publish as a test. You have to click on Publish as a test.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember where that was at. Oh, here you go. It's right there at the bottom. Okay, publish as a test. I'll put a title in here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's already working. Okay, finally.
Could you share your screen or something?
Yeah, let me, yeah, I guess I would.
I'm so excited that it's working.
Sorry.
I need proof.
All right, we're going to get a Hall of Mirrors effect here in just a second. Okay, go back over here. All right, can you see this?
Yep.
All right. So here's, I'm streaming the Zoom bit. It's not public, so nobody else can see it. So this is working via Facebook and doing the same thing over. This is, oh, I gotta jump the screen on me, but this is the same thing in YouTube.
Okay, great. So it's happening at the same time.
Yeah, and here, change this. I don't know why that jumped.
Hernan and Juan, does this look good from your side?
I am trying to understand if we are testing the Zoom or the other platform. I think is OBS.
We're
right?
testing Zoom right now. So because the meeting is in Zoom, we're testing Zoom to see if we can stream live from Zoom to Facebook and YouTube at the same time.
Yeah,
And I think this is what's happening right now.
Yes, yeah. Sorry for all the weird confusion. Like I said, I'm usually a little bit more prepared than this, but this right here shows the preview of what ends up on YouTube Live.
Which is just a black screen at the moment.
Right. Well, yeah, it's just showing like the little zoom window up here in the top left corner. And
I see. Yep.
Yeah, and I think it did something where it minimized my. Do it that way. Yeah,
And this is on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now you see it's showing the same thing on both sides. Now the reason why we're not seeing the full Zoom screen is because Zoom automatically minimized itself as soon as I started sharing it. Typically, what happens is when I don't share, OBS just picks up my big main Zoom window, so you would actually see the meeting that you typically have take place. But if I stop sharing it now, then it'll cut that off, and then you won't be able to see anything that I'm doing. So.
Right.
But at least with this test, you're seeing that they are both matching at the same time. I can actually, to help, let's change that.
So presentations can be shared, webcam, all that stuff that usually goes live can be shared on both, just like normal. Okay, wonderful.
If I had something else open, I could show that off, but.
And then all we would need to share would be the YouTube live stream link.
Yep.
With everyone, or particular or specific links from the Spanish and Portuguese Facebook page.
Right.
Okay.
And I need to get or go ahead.
No, can you just show me the Facebook where you are trying to just stream your presentation?
Yeah.
Live. This is
the back end of Facebook.
Right.
Yes, but we are live now in Facebook or not?
We are.
Because
in the back end. It's just a test.
Yeah,
okay,
it's just a test on the back end. You're not going to see it publicly on the main page.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
But we will when we do it live.
Yeah. Because the main difference is, whoops, I'm on the wrong computer. Let's try this again. Well, it's not showing up here because we're doing a live test, but there's a little check mark box that you click on around here that makes it a test stream. And when we go live, we just won't click on that. So it'll show up here as well. But the Latin America Facebook account is, so obviously I'm going to need the info for that. And
yeah, you will need the key.
Yes, the key.
Right.
So,
okay, for both accounts, right? For the Portuguese and Spanish account?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it would be interesting to see if we can stream to both accounts at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kenny, I added you as a friend. I sent you a friendship request on Facebook now because if not, I can't add you to as an administrator. Same with you, Caitlin, but I couldn't find you so far.
No, that's okay. I'd rather stay off of Facebook. If Juan, do you know where the social media, the Facebook keys are for, or Bjorn, you probably have access to that too, right?
Yeah, I can show you how to get there. And I would also like to add Kenny as the administrator. Kenny, if you...
Okay, well, this is cool. Here, yeah, it looks like we're testing something in recent posts.
Yeah, this is the main page, Inc. So that's why we are... That's because we are streaming.
Yep.
On this page, we are already streaming.
Yeah.
Where can I find that key?
If you go to the Creator Studio, so the second tab or the third, one of the tabs above. And there is the live stream setup. And there you can see the server URL and the stream key.
Do you need both of those, Kenny?
Yeah, give me both. The server URL should be the same regardless, but each individual Facebook channel is going to have a separate stream key, like the one for Portuguese, one for Spanish, and the regular English one.
And if you are administrator to the different pages, you can switch between the different pages on the left, where you can see post, and below that you can switch between the different pages.
I see.
Where you have Linux Professional Institute now, you can choose another one if you are administrator of another one. And if you accept my friendship request, I can make you administrator of the other one.
Yeah, I accepted the one that
you did?
sent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're Facebook buddies. We can talk about stickers and stuff.
Yeah. That's great.
I'm not a fan of Facebook, sorry.
It's nobody seems to be a fan of Facebook, but everyone's there.
Yeah, Hernan, so that's what we will need to, that's what we're trying to do, or we will have to try to do. So we can only do it now. Juan is sending Kenny the Portuguese Facebook key and the Spanish Facebook key. And then it has to go to Kevin, and Kevin has to do science things to it, and then it will, then Kenny will become a scientist, and that will work that way, and then we'll have to test if we can do both.
Yeah.
But if we can't do both, you're just saying the Spanish one is the one to go, so that's good. But we'll have to have, I can meet with Kenny at a later date to see if it can do both. So if it can do both, that would be awesome, I think.
Yeah. I'll just have Kevin just let me know as soon as he gets it added, and then we'll see if we can set up a quick test on it.
Okay, Kenny, you should have an invite now.
Another one, man. I'm popular today.
So many friends.
I know. Oh, it's a... God, how do you use this thing? Messenger.
What's the notifications? That's
Oh, here we go. Okay.
And is there one for Portuguese as well?
Yeah, I'm working on that.
Perfect.
So I click on this.
So that's what it would look like, right? If we had the live stream right on the main page there?
Yeah. Sorry, let me go back.
No, that's okay.
Go live. I'm just seeing if it shows up for me in that drop down. All right, here
Yep.
we go. Yeah. Okay.
Yay.
Cool.
And if you accept the Portuguese invite now, then you have all three.
Okay.
I'm not sure, but can you try? I send the chat. Don't know if one do you need.
Let's see. Say it again. Yeah. There you go. Let me see if that matches the other one I already had. Which is this for the Spanish? Which page was that one for? Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's for the Spanish one.
Okay.
So a quick Google search here. Bjorn, do we have a premium or enterprise Facebook account for LPI?
No, we have a standard
Okay.
account.
So we may not, the premium and enterprise customers can simulcast up to 5 different Facebook destinations at one time.
Oh.
Currently, Facebook limits users to just choose one group to go live and not more than one. That might just be groups, though. Okay, well, it's something that we'll try once Kevin gets it all hooked up. Okay, and if we can't do both, we'll just use the Spanish version, the Spanish account. But this is great. This is definitely way further than we've gotten in the past.
Oh yeah.
Now, in terms of the January event, so let's say, okay, we're doing this. We are doing this. We're going to move forward. We're able to live stream to YouTube and to Facebook. Who, in terms of resources, Kenny, are you okay to help out with this?
Yes.
And are you able to do this from your, like everything from kind of your location?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll make sure that I'm at a very reliable internet connection.
Okay. Do you need Bjorn at all to get Facebook up and running?
I don't think so. He's already got me set up with the stuff that I need, but if Bjorn wouldn't mind just being on standby in case.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. I will give you details of when that will be, Bjorn.
Yeah.
Even half hour before, just so we're ready to go, and then we can just press live.
Yeah, absolutely no problem.
Just want to double check this real quick. Okay. Forgive me if I spelled that wrong. I think, yeah, all the endpoints, these are all the same. The server URL. So we just need a different keys for each one. So I'll double check with Kevin to make sure that on the server end, we can add more than one key.
Okay.
Because it's pointing to the same location. I think so. I think it's just a matter of just how you set it up. But we should be fine there. And then,
Okay.
that way.
So ideally on the 21st, we would want to live stream to YouTube and the Portuguese and the Spanish Facebook pages. If we cannot do 2 Facebook pages, it would be YouTube and Facebook, the Spanish Facebook page.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And that seems to be
And the account, we have a business account. Maybe that's meant with enterprise account.
Great. Okay. Well, we'll find that out. Okay, cool. So Kenny, let me know when you hear back from Kevin, and maybe you and I can jump on and see if we can do both.
All right, sounds good. And
Awesome. That's good news. Juan and Hernan, is there any questions from your side? Is there any hesitations at all from anything?
No, nothing. Thank you.
Okay, great.
everybody.
Okay, awesome.
We will be testing in another time again, right? To to make the live for both, right? Or not?
Yeah, so we have to wait for Kevin to add the keys into the back end. And then Kenny and I will jump on to see if we can do both Facebook pages at the same time.
yeah, we'll make sure all that stuff works beforehand.
And obviously closer to the date, like, the week of the event in a couple of weeks, we will jump on as the team and just ensure that everything's working properly. But Juan, Kenny will be at the event to ensure that the live streaming is happening.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
All right,
This
thank
is
you.
this is really good. And Juan and Hernan, I will see you in about half an hour.
That's right. See you.
Thanks, guys.
All right,
Take
y'all
care.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.